Welcome to Anatomy Insights. Today we're diving into one of the most fascinating topics in biology, the human body. Cell. What is a cell? Why is it called the building block of life? Ever wondered what your body is made of? Let's find out. Every living thing, from the smallest bacteria to the largest whale, is made up of cells. In humans, the cell is the basic structural, functional, and biological unit of life. Think of it like this. Just like bricks build a house, cells build the human body. What is a cell made of? A typical human cell has three main parts. 1. Cell membrane. 2. Cytoplasm. 3. Nucleus. Let's discuss it. 1. Cell membrane. The cell membrane is like a protective wall. It controls what enters and exits the cell, just like a security guard. Without the membrane, the cell would collapse. 2. Cytoplasm. Inside the membrane, there's a jelly-like fluid called cytoplasm. This is where all the action happens. Tiny structures called organelles float here, each with a special job. 3. Nucleus. At the center is the one nucleus, the brain of the cell. It controls the cell's activities and holds the cell's DNA, the instruction manual for life. I hope this made the concept of the human body cell super easy and exciting for you. If you learned something new today, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Anatomy Insights.